Hi, I'm Marna. My cameraman has me laughing again. This is a Dolls Rescue channel, and I am excited about a doll show coming up. It is the Puddle. It is, let me see if I can remember. I can't. It's a pull-up show, which if you go look at their website, it is in Chicago, and it's June 6th, isn't it, Darren?
Yeah, sounds about right,
June
but somewhere in there.
6th, right around there. We already have our reservations and our tickets and the whole bit. I'm very excited about it. Darren and I are currently working on items for the goodie bags. It, to me, sounds like a con. You know, like Blythe Con or Comic Con or whatever. They have contests and prizes and get-togethers and meetups and dinners together, my kind of thing. But I did not have pull-up dolls, so I got her, and I love her. I just threw this little AliExpress dress on her to see how it fit. Darren has calculated shoes for her great big feet. And he's made some stands. I love that for St. Patrick's Day. She might even get a dress. We'll see. Things are so busy here. And then I got this Make It Own kit. And the shoes for that doll, as you can see, are quite a different size. And we're working on shoes for the goodie bags. So Darren's been calculating and gonculating. These are... at our house, we call them ADG shoes, and that's Ashton Drake Gallery, because that's the first Blythe I had that was registered trademark. These fit Kenner, Takara, Good Smile, Ashton Drake Gallery, and they almost, I mean, you could make these work on this doll, but Darren's recalculating to make them a better size. So there were 4 body types for the pull-ups, and we were curious. Okay, so we have that gigantic foot and this tiny foot, and I don't know anybody. Well, actually I do. I need somebody to mail some shoes to check them out and tell me how they are. Darren also has made headbands, and they are quite cute. Really cute on the little pull-ups. Just, you know, the basic 3D little girl type headbands. I love those. Wore them as a kid. So I ordered with Darren encouragement. Oh, you should get another pull-up. Oh, you should get another pull-up. So I did. And I happened to buy from a seller that is a sponsor for Puddle, which really made me happy to see. I had already bought one item, the Make It Own, and I noticed the name on the Puddle page, Puddle page. And so when I saw this doll and it was the same seller, I'm happy to buy from a seller. Look, her little jacket. Oh, she is coming out of this box. Let's just open her now. We want to see her feet and her head and her coat and everything about her. These are beautiful dolls. They are not as, they're more fragile than a, she comes with a stand because there's directions and how to work her head. They are more fragile than a Blythe doll. That I'm not real keen on, but look how beautiful they are. Oh, look at that jacket. Oh my God. All right, let us get her out of this box. This doll's outfit is, oh, amazing. I sew for dolls, and I'm telling you, this is quite amazing. Oh, look at her little fishnets, have print on them too. She was wearing typical fashion doll shoes, Barbie type shoes. She's very, that didn't stay on well, did it? Very articulated. The foot is articulated, the knee, the hips go out and up, which means she could ride a horse. Her arm goes out and up. Her wrist bends, and so does her elbow. Her head goes back and forth, but not up and down. she has these buttons in the back of her head, and the one in the middle move the eyes back and forth. These independently and together make her wink, or let's see if I can make them shut. Well, I think she's one that they stay shut. I can't read that. Push the button in and hang the convexity. The eyes keep closing. Okay, let me try it one more time. Let's try one. There we go. Push down, not up. I was wrong. Up to open. So these little levers in the back are what controls the eyes. I love her. She's like a cousin to Blythe. I can't wait to join in with the events and contests. She is so lovely. She was one of the least expensive pull-up dolls on eBay. And again, I say the seller is also a sponsor for Puddle. I wanted to show you this coat, how well it's made. Not only is it lined, look, they did all the pieces. They didn't just put a back on it. That is a lot of tiny sewing. The collar is beautiful, beautifully made, and of course the pull-up label. Really like this doll, can't wait. If you're going to pull up, please leave it in my comments. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.